There are four general types of passive income. 1. Buy cash flowing assets. This type of passive income requires you to spend money up front. You buy an asset with money you already have and trade it for cash flow. For example, you can buy a hotel. Profits from that hotel will flow into your pocket. 2. Building cash flowing assets. This could require no money at all, or a lot. That solely depends on the type of asset you're building. Let's say you're building a software from scratch, and you do all the coding and such yourself. This would take a while, but it doesn't cost you any money. 3. Share positions. It's a great idea to share your belongings to maximize income potential. Let's say you've got a spare room in your house and want to make some extra money. You could convert that room into a little apartment or studio and rent it out. You could even rent out your car or boat. One negative side to this is that you'll need to have some positions you can share in the first place. Reverse passive income. Reverse passive income is simply said, cutting expenses. This is a way to save some money. However, this might be counter-beneficial, because if you set a goal for yourself to live to a certain standard, you're going to need the money to do so. The money required will motivate you to keep hustling to get that extra cash. So this might not be a great way if you're not willing to give up your standard of living.